1992 GMC Sonoma. What we got done on it, still got the original catalytic converter. Then we did 2 1/4 intermediate pipe into 2 1/4 tailpipes. All the way back, duals with 3.5-inch tips. Right there and right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second, see what you guys think.
I bet you don't sleep.